Hello everybody, this is Jessica, and today it's my great honor to invite Keith, who is the inventor of Tongyongyv system. Hello Keith.
Hi, Jessica.
Can you tell us some basic information about Tongyongyv?
Okay, but first I want to explain why I invent Tongyongyv.
Alright.
I teach in Chinese for 10 years, and during these 10 years I found a problem. And most of Chinese learners cannot handle Chinese characters. Because Chinese characters is difficult for them. Their mother language is alphabet language. They get used to speak alphabet language, but Chinese is not alphabet language.
So it will be difficult.
Yes, Chinese character for them is like a difficult picture to write. And the problem with Chinese is that the pronunciation has no relationship with the characters. Yeah. So I got an idea 5 years ago. Why don't we simplify Chinese characters into alphabet language? Why don't we write Chinese character into ABC without changing the sound?
It is too abstract. Can you show us more examples?
Okay, sure. First, tone was consist of three different parts: pinyin part, tone part, and root. Here's some examples. Here's some basic Tongyongyv. There is only pinyin part, which have means no root, no tone. They are very simple. The first line is Chinese character, second line is Tongyongyv, third line is English meaning. You can see the first line character, how difficult it is. How can you handle it? Okay, Tongyongyv you can see is so simple.
Yes.
So beautiful. And sometimes it's shorter than English meaning.
Yes.
And in my system, every character, every Tongyongyv has not more than 6 letters. It's very
that's
short.
easy.
Yeah, that's easy.
And can you show us some more examples?
Okay, this is some higher rank Tongyongyv, which have tone letters, not only pinyin but also tone.
What are FDGK?
FDG, every Chinese learner should know that Chinese have 4 different tones.
Yes.
And I use FDGK to represent these 4 different tones.
But why do you choose FDGK?
It's simple. Well, first reason is that FDGK was easy to tap, and these tone letters was used very often. So if I use FDGK to be tone letters, then it will save a lot of time. Right. Second reason that FDGK won't be the same letter with the final letter of pinyin part.
What about root? I haven't seen it yet.
Root? Okay. Here is the most comprehensive example.
It's difficult, I think.
But it's the most beautiful one I like because it has a whole 3 part. And
yes.
Half of the common Tongyongyv will be read like this. They have a root. And I give them the root because sometimes we have to solve the problem of homophone.
What does JZ means in root?
GZ means family. Okay, so here are some examples for family root.
Oh, I can understand because wife, father, and uncle are all family members.
Yeah, it's easy. And do you know what's homophones?
Maybe like several words they have the same pronunciation.
Yeah, 2 different characters have the same pronunciation. A lot of in Chinese there are a lot of homophones. We have to add a root to distinguish them.
So you can avoid learning homophones.
Yeah, so root is very important.
That's amazing.
But how I get this root? How root is actually a kind of category of Chinese character. I didn't invent the root by myself. I didn't invent it by myself. I know a Chinese language master. He wrote a book called the Hanzi Jiying Gongcheng. In this book, Chinese characters was distinguished into 200 different categories. And here is 84 big category.
I think it is easy to be understood.
But some students will tell me that 200, that should be a lot.
Yes.
But actually, we only teach you for like 100 root. And another 100 root is ready for the ancient Chinese. Okay.
Okay, thank you, kids. And if you are interested in this way of learning Chinese, please subscribe us and follow our information.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.